shopping for vegetables at the farmer's market.
Philip takes his friend Emma to the farmer's market to buy some food.
I've never been to a farmer's market before. There's so much produce for sale.
The best part is that everything is fresh, organic, and grown locally.
What do you usually buy when you come here?
It depends. Today I'm looking for some carrots, onions, and a bit of rosemary.
What do you plan on cooking with those?
I want to make a stew with some mushrooms and potatoes.
That sounds good. Will you share it with me?
Sure, but only if you help prepare some side dishes for our meal.
No problem. I can make a great salad with cheese and broccoli.
In that case, let's also grab some lettuce while we're here.
These cucumbers look good too. Let's cook some up tonight.
Great idea. Do you like pumpkin pie? We can try making one.
I love it. But are you sure we can finish all this food?
This market is only open on the weekends, so I usually get a week's worth of vegetables when I drop by.
No wonder we're buying so much. I can't wait to start cooking.